Dus niet vergeten.
Mounting of the rain protection. You take the top bar, indicated with number 4 and number 3 in the front. So always the lowest number to the front of the truck. This bar will first be mounted on the top of the truck. The top of the truck, you descend it and fix it with the chain so that it is easily to access. What else do you need? You need the small number 3 and the small number 4. So you put them immediately where you need them. So that means the 4 will remain with the back of the truck and the 3 will go in front of the truck. Voila. The round tube you also need, so you also put it on the table together with the rain protection itself. Now first thing we're going to do is we're going to mount the top bar. Now we first mount the top tube to the roof. Just put the pins into the holes and hit it in. Then you take a pin to lock. Voila. Okay. Once this is locked, the small tubes can be mounted. So you take the 4 with the 4 and the top on the top. Voila. You take a small pin and you put it in. And you lock it again with a pin through the small pin. Done. Okay? Now we mount the sidebars. Again, check the number. Number 4, the back. Number 3, the front. You're first going to fix it to the bottom profile. Keep it Carlos. I'll keep it right. Straight. Okay. You fix it with a pin again. Alright, fix it with a pin. You don't have a pin. Now we're gonna basculate it to the round opening. Voila. Okay. Once this is done, I'm gonna take the round tube and put it through the circles. I go first, or he goes first, whatever. Voila. There we do the same. Then we take long pins. These are the long pins, 2 for each side. And we put them through the round bar on both sides. Voila. And again we fix with a pin to secure the other one. Voila. We're gonna first connect the rain protection to the top. So everything voila. And we're gonna also connect it to the sides. At this moment, there will be too much protection there, but that will tighten when we lift the rain protection. Once all this is done, with 2 persons, we lift the whole, no, we unchain the chain at the other side.
Come to me, boy.
Dus je moet er wel naar beneden, hè, Carlos. And now we lift the complete roof to its position where it has to come. And we push it a little bit up. Like that. Voilà, it is installed.